Hi everyone, this is Amber with Metaverse Makes, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Beat Saber version 2 small grips. So I'm going to be demonstrating this using the left grip. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to first take this string and you'll want to put this little plastic piece all the way at the end. Now you're going to feed this string into the Beat Saber grip, and you want the string to come out of this hole. So do that. And by having this little plastic piece at the end, that just makes it a lot easier to feed through. So now you're going to put the grip all the way up. And you want it to be all the way up to this button. So now what you want to do is you have this slider on the back of the grip. And the higher up this slider goes, the more tighter the grip will be on your Oculus Quest grips. So typically we recommend to slide it up about where the button is halfway off of here, because that makes it the tightest. So now you could play without having to worry that your Oculus Quest handsets are going to fly off.
P.S. Make sure you put your cord around your wrist to secure the controller to your hand.